In this problem, we know that the area of a trapezoid is the height over 2 multiplied by the sum of the bases, and the bases are the parallel sides. So what's the height then? The height is the distance between the bases, which is always the shortest distance, which is always the perpendicular distance, which is this distance. So we need to find out what that is, and we can do that because we know that the area is 280. So we'll substitute 280, and now we just need to isolate h. How should we do that? Well, we can multiply both sides times 2. That will get rid of the divide by 2. 2 times 280 is 560, and 2 times h divided by 2, the 2's cancel each other out, and we're left with just h. And 8 plus 20 is 28, so our last step is to divide both sides by 28, and we will have found h. H is all by itself, and it's equal to 560 divided by 28, which is 20. The height is 20 centimeters.